Good day, Cherry Blossom family. This is Derek. We are Cherry Blossom Hemp, and I am back answering questions. As I told you before, we get a lot of these questions when we're out setting up in front of people. And today we're going to talk about one of these often talked about cannabinoids, but often misunderstood, and that is CBDV, and that is cannabidivarin. Cannabidivarin is kind of it's not to be confused with CBDA or CBD, even though it is structurally similar to CBD and it does not get you intoxicated. But CBDV kind of plays more on like the memory and sort of like the I'm a doctor, what is this, neuro functionality of us, neuro behavior, neuro pathways. And it's usually found in, even though it's in minor amounts in all types of cannabis, it is found mostly in indica strains that originate in Africa and Asia. Strains that tend to be high in CBD tend to have be higher in CBDV. So even though it was only discovered about 50 years ago, we're still doing research, and we're going to kind of go into like some of the medicinal benefits that, as we're kind of discovering and learning. All this is very recent, but some big companies have been doing research on CBDV and the impact that it can have on us and the human race. So GW Pharmaceuticals, they're known for the Epidiolex, the CBD, the drug. It mimics, if you will, it's kind of a synthetic CBD drug, but they are actively developing a CBDV drug to reduce and prevent epileptic seizures and other forms of seizures. They say that the CBD has shown an anti-epileptic results across a range of in vitro and in vivo models of epilepsy. Childhood intractable epilepsy and autism spectrum disorder often go hand in hand. CBDV is being researched as a possible treatment of some of the more significant autism spectrum disorder issues, such as repetitive behavioral problems, cognitive issues and challenges, and communication and social functioning diseases. Also, people with like Rett syndrome and Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The DMD is characterized by chronic inflammation and irreversible skeletal muscular damage. And CBDV may be able to reduce some of that inflammation and even restore and enhance some muscle function. But also, this is what I think very interesting, is we're all suffering with memory and such. CBDV was found in a 2019 study by the Journal of Pharmacology on a rodent study, but it may have found to kind of rescue or recover some memory defects that may have the same genetic defect as people with Rett syndrome. So that is pretty powerful stuff. So we're still learning about that. Again, a lot of like things that focus on neurological defects and memory, but we could all use a little bit of that. So you can see how different that is than CBD or CBDA. Very, very cool stuff. So as we learn, we'll just keep bringing you new information, but we want you to know that some of these things are actually being available to you. And one of our products, of course, is the Focus cartridge and the Focus dripper, distillate dripper, but also, other companies out there are pushing forward these blends, and it's a minor occurring cannabinoid. It's not something that's not, you're not going to find generally a full CBDV extract. But as progress moves forward, as science moves forward, we're finding these formulations are going to help you, going to help people, going to help all of us, and learning that these cannabinoids can do amazing things just like pharmaceuticals. And I'd love to see the partnership between our industry and the pharmaceutical company come together and start putting out some really good things that can help people. So that's all for today. As always, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you, and we'll be back with some more quality information. All right.